All right, well, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top 6, bottom 6. And cheers.
You should tell Ray to go watch our videos.
Yeah, that's funny. You want me to sort?
I'm not super worried. Just set the foils and stuff aside.
All right.
Equipment can be aside as well.
I'm gonna do rares as well.
Oh, first pack was a cracked bubble in there.
Mine was a Majestic.
Oh, I pulled. Oh, sweet. I gotta see a lot of this stuff I can use for. That's gonna be basically like.
Oh, I love when I get a good static. Majestic again.
That's a kick in my ass.
Good, this thing isn't a pack war.
There's a double rare. Ooh, foil triple rare pack. I'm gonna put my rares here. I'm gonna put my foils there. Everything else goes over there.
Rare and a foil for a Majestic. I've hit a Majestic every pack so far.
Good lord. I'm behind.
Rare, equipment, and nothing else.
Another triple rare pack.
It's okay, I gotta run out eventually, right?
Well, I'm glad that I gotta expose the elements. So.
Rare.
Foil.
Ooh, I think I missed the foil over here, let me go check.
Oh, there's my Majestic.
That's a good one. Oh, I didn't miss the foil. It's the Majestic foiled. Huh.
Well, it's a good thing that it was a tome. It's a tome that gives me, I think, my 3 or 4 of them now.
And another Majestic. And foil.
Okay, I think we're already at the limit because they don't even normally pack 6 per box. That's 5.
Yeah, you're at the average right now. Is that foiled? Winner's Bite? That's like a $5 or $6 card, I think.
Yep, I've got quite a few.
Foiled?
I got some in red, and I think it's some of the ones some of them are red.
Rare, equipment, and the normal. All right, I'm done with my first 6. I pulled 4. I'm gonna actually separate this out. I've pulled 4 Majestics, just so everybody can see.
So my 1.
Cheers.
But the good thing is a lot of those I did need for set wise and stuff like that.
Rare,
so.
rare.
Rare. Oh,
Full cold foil.
cold foil creepers.
Nice. Let me sleeve. I'll leave there. I got it.
I think I just won.
I think you won.
I hit the legendary and I hit creep, so I know that there's not another legendary here, but I got my room boots and I got them in cold foil.
Are you really wanting to test that theory? Remember, I hit 2 in 1 pack.
Yeah, I know. The fact that I got them in cold foil on top of that, I know people are gonna want to trade for that.
Yeah, you're very right. I'm glad you got it though.
Yeah. Oh, there's Majestic.
Wrong side again.
And that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Deep?
No, that was the first pack on this side, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was on the top 6 deep.
It was the 6 pack on the
Left
bottom.
side. Yeah.
Only could have been better if it would have been the honey hood, my hood.
Another Majestic for me. Rare. That is awesome.
And I was just saying that you had yours,
Yep.
and now I have mine.
Might get that again.
At this point, I don't care if I don't pull any more Majestics,
Yeah, you got your money back.
and then some.
Yeah. I didn't get it. No Alt Art Channel Lake for me.